Okay, so let's do assignment 6. So I'm on Canvas. I click on assignments and choose assignment 6. Yep. Click on the directions. Okay, so step 1 tells us to open a Google Doc and name it A6 Multilinear Regression Model. So let's do that. Okay, let's go to Google Docs. Click on a blank doc. Change the title. Okay, let's go back to our directions now. I'm actually going to paste all my directions into my Google Doc. Let's do that. Okay, so pasting those into my Google Doc. I'm going to now close the directions. Okay, so going up to step 1 again. So if you click on this A6 dataset, it's actually the same as the Quiz 5 dataset. So what I'm going to do is actually go to modules, and then under modules you'll see Quiz 5 solutions. Click on that, open this. Now I'm going to take my solution to Quiz 5 and paste it into my assignment 6. It's here. I'm going to paste it, so I close this guy now. And so I paste it at the top. So I'm kind of using it as a template for this one. Okay, so I've done that. And get rid of the quiz directions here. Get rid of this too. So there's our R code for quiz 5. Okay, so for the assignment, so we've done step 1. We'll take this away now. Now step 2, we have to write the R code that does the following. So A, we have to create a model that predicts female babies' age based on their weight. And then we have a second model, predicts female babies' age based on their length. And we have a third model, predicts female babies' age based on their weight and length. So we have 3 models. So pretty much I'm going to take my model from the quiz and paste it twice. Okay, and for the second model, second one down here, I'm going to write 2 everywhere for your model. I'll come back and make a few more changes in a second. So everybody see an M, change it to M2. M2 here. And M2 here. And the other model below will change to model 3. Oh, that was actually model 3 there. Actually, I messed up here. Actually, I should have been changing this one to model 2 here. Model 2, model 2, model 2, model 2, and model 2, and the model below will change this to model 3. We'll change everything to model 3. Model 3. And I already have model 3 there, okay. So going back up then to the first model, model 1, we'll need to make some adjustments to this. first thing is I'm going to include here print, that'll have summary of M1. And I'm going to do that for the other models also below, just to keep track of the models when I look at the R output in a second. So here I'm going to add print a summary of model 2, and the last one will have right here summary of model 3. Summary model 3. Okay, so our first model, model 1, we had to predict age using, let's go down and look at it here, age based on weight only. So model 1 is age based on weight. So take away the length. And the second model, we had to predict age, baby's age based on their length. So model 2 is just age based on length. So take away the weight in this one. And model 3 is already set up. I think we're fine. It's age based on length and weight. That's what model 3 says down here. Yeah. So age based on weight and length. So model 3 is fine. Then we have to use M1 to predict age of female baby that weighs 20 pounds. So for model 1 we have to predict what a weight of 20 pounds. So just take away the length here. There'll be predicted age in months of a female baby that weighs 20 pounds, so it'd stop here. And then the next part, M2, predict age of female baby that is 28 inches long. Let's do that for model 2. So we take away the weight here. And so predict age in months of a female baby that has a length of 28 inches. And I think model 3 is already set up fine. Let's see, we have to do model 3 predict age of female baby that weighs 20 pounds and is 28 inches long. I think that's already set up for us here. Yeah, so that's already good. So we've done A, B, C, D, E, and F. So we can take those away now. Okay, it gives a summary. I guess all the bots already have the summary. Plots and residuals. I think they all already have plot residuals in them. So I've actually done this step, all of this. So we're on to step 3 now. So now it says paste our R code. So let's take our R code up here and paste it into run our script. Get it on here. Oops. So it ends here. So we're going to run our script. You just type in rcommand.com. There it is. Alright. Alright. So let's take this away. Paste it here and run. So there's our output. I'm going to take this output now and just click on a clipboard and put it into our assignment. Let's put it below step 3. Actually below all the directions. Directions in there, so let's paste it right here. Now going up to directions here, step 3 for M1, find the RSE and stuff like that. So let's find that stuff here. So let's find the RSE. So let's go down to model 1. So here is summary M1, so it's going to have the RSE and all that stuff here. So the RSE is right here. So paste that. Actually, we're going to need the adjusted R squared too, so just take all this stuff and paste it up there for now. To the top guy. Okay, here. Let's take that way for now. So paste it right here. So this is the RSE. Okay, you can take this away. This is our adjusted R squared. Oh, sorry, it's multiple. Adjusted R squared is the other one. Let's put an equal sign there. And let's find the values it's looking for here. Let's just paste this down here for now. So go down to our model 1. Let's see. Yeah, where is model 1, isn't it? Yes, summary model 1. So we're going to go down. So right here. So take this stuff here. Paste that at the top. Below this guy here. So we can see then our A value is the 1.48 guy, goes there, and our C value is this. Let's take this away. Okay, so we can probably go down here now and take away this stuff all the way until we get to model 2. Oh, maybe keep the predicted age. Let's keep that for now. But take away the rest of the stuff. So now model 2 starts below here. Okay, and we'll do the same thing. We'll find the RSE and stuff like that. But I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to do part 2 to this video. So let's stop right here.